South Korea is stepping into the future of naval warfare. At the 8th Korea Strait Naval Victory Seminar, hosted by Congressman Yoo Young-won, the South Korean Navy unveiled its highly ambitious plan, a fully integrated, multi-domain, manned-unmanned teaming (MUMT) command carrier force. This isn't just a conceptual sketch. This is a fully funded roadmap toward a fleet built for next-generation maritime dominance. Part 1, the vision of MUMT. The plan revolves around three main command vessels. One brand-new 30,000-ton MUMT carrier. Two upgraded amphibious assault ships, ROKS Dokdo and ROKS Manned. Together, they will form the core of the MUMT Maritime Battle Group and the MUMT Amphibious Assault Group. Each battle group will integrate manned and unmanned aircraft, destroyers, submarines, UAVs, USVs, and amphibious vehicles for full-spectrum maritime operations. The goal? Secure undersea, surface, and air superiority in high-threat environments with fewer personnel and greater efficiency. Part 2, MUMT Carrier Specifications. The new carrier will displace up to 40,000 tons fully loaded and cost an estimated 2.8 trillion KRW, $2.1 billion USD, per ship. Design and construction will take about 11 years, with delivery expected by the late 2030s. Korean shipbuilders, including Hanwha Ocean and HD Hyundai Heavy Industries, showcased competing designs at Made-X 2025, including Hanwha's multipurpose command model and HD HHI's HCX 23+. Unlike traditional carriers, this platform prioritizes unmanned operations. Meanwhile, the existing Dokdo-class ships will be retrofitted with electromagnetic catapults, EMALs, to enable UAV takeoff and recovery. Part 3, the drone fighter concept. Enter the carrier-based drone fighter, revealed by Korea Aerospace Industries, KAI. Derived from KAI's in-development UCAV platform, the drone is designed for carrier ops and features. Tail hooks for arrested landings. Internal and external bays for air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground munitions, and air-launched UAVs. Modular forward fuselage. AI-assisted piloting for fully autonomous missions. Specifications. Max takeoff weight, 6 tons. Combat radius, 482 km. Payload, 800 kilograms. Max speed, subsonic, Mach less than 0.6. It's about the size of a Czech L-39 trainer, but stealthier, thanks to internal weapon bays and stealth shaping inspired by the KF-21 Borame. Part 4, Technology Transfer from KF-21. KAI's drone leverages tech from the KF-21 program. Stealth airframe with expanded internal weapons bays. Application of high-efficiency high-bypass turbofan engines. Full-scale mock-ups already under conceptual review. The carrier drone won't reach supersonic speeds, but it trades velocity for endurance, stealth, and payload versatility, ideal for strike and ISR roles in contested seas. Advanced versions could carry subdrones, extend data networks, or suppress enemy air defenses. Part 5, Strategic Context. This MUMT strategy comes as China's naval expansion accelerates and Japan adapts its Izumo-class carriers for F-35B operations. South Korea's response? Build a highly versatile, cost-efficient fleet tailored to unmanned operations. A single carrier could deploy 30+ combat drones, enabling saturation strikes or high-risk ISR missions at a fraction of the cost of F-35Bs. Projected unit cost for these UAVs is below 30 billion KRW, 23 million USD. With indigenous engine development, prices may drop further. This also ensures domestic control over all strategic technologies, a key priority for South Korea's defense doctrine. Part 6, Amphibious Integration and MAG. The MUMT strategy doesn't stop with naval air power. The MUMT Amphibious Assault Group will include amphibious helicopters, attack helicopters, high-speed landing crafts, LCACs, amphibious assault vehicles, AAVs. All deployed from a single 30,000-ton class MUMT carrier. This allows multi-domain operations, sea, air, and land, to be executed from a single platform, enabling faster, more flexible deployments. The Navy believes this provides a cost-effective counterweight to China's regional ambitions. Part 7, Budget and Timeline. The Navy has earmarked 2 trillion KRW from repurposed light carrier program budgets and defense improvement funds to kickstart the MUMT carrier program. Final drone specifications will be confirmed by November 2025, through research by KITA, Korea Institute for Defense Analyses. Construction could begin by 2030, with deployment projected around 2035. Part 8, Strategic Impact, 4 o'clock. This is more than a defense upgrade, it's a transformation of Korea's maritime doctrine. In an era of shrinking manpower and rising threats, autonomous naval forces are the future. With integrated UAVs, USVs, and AI-driven systems, South Korea is positioning itself to lead the Western Pacific in maritime innovation. This is the birth of a new fleet. South Korea's MUMT carrier program is not just a vision, it's happening. And when it does, it could reshape the naval power balance in Asia. Want more insights into Asia's evolving defense landscape? Like, subscribe, and share this video. And let us know, will unmanned naval power define the next great fleet?